ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। ॐ नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। आजिर ए पवित्र रथयात्रा अवसर रे समस्त भगवत भक्त मंडली को मोर हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। ए पवित्र रथयात्रा अवसर रे रामकृष्ण मठ और रामकृष्ण मिशन भुवनेश्वर तरफरु प्रस्तुत एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल ऐप्र शुभ उन्मोचन हेबाकु जाउछि। ए कोविड महामारी कारणरू भक्तमानंकर आश्रम को आसिबा संभव हेउ नथिबारु एही ऐप को ऑनलाइन माध्यम रे लोकार्पित कराजिवो। रामकृष्ण मठ भुवनेश्वर अध्यक्ष पूज्यपाद स्वामी आत्मप्रभानंद जी महाराज निजर अभिभाषण माध्यम रे एही ऐप टी को लोकार्पित करिवे। एही एप्लिकेशन माध्यम रे आपण माने रामकृष्ण विवेकानंद संबंधी विभिन्न पुस्तक पढ़ी पारिबे एवं आश्रमर अन्यान्य कार्यक्रमर सूचना लाभ करि पारिबे। एही एप्लिकेशन को मोबाइल रे इंस्टॉल करिबा पई गूगल प्ले लिंक एही वीडियोर डिस्क्रिप्शन रे उपलब्ध अछि। यहाकू बहु संख्या रे उपयोग करिबा पई एवं निजर गुरुत्वपूर्ण मतामत आमको जणाइबा पई साग्रह अनुरोध जणाउछु। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत्।
ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। Dear devotees and friends, it is a matter of great pleasure and happiness for me to inform you that Ramakrishna Math and Mission Bhubaneswar has developed an application RKM-BBSR for the Android mobile phone users. The application developed is intended to fulfill all the functions of our existing website and beyond. In the present social scenario, I feel it is indeed a timely addition which will act as an interface between the mott and its friends and well-wishers in Odisha and beyond. Coming to the brief history of this ashrama, Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Bhubaneswar, in its over a century of existence, is one of the earliest centers in India which came up during the Ramakrishna Vivekananda movement. The holy town of Bhubaneswar, as you might all know, was in fact sanctified by the lotus feet of Sri Sri Sarada Devi, the divine consort of Sri Ramakrishna Deva. Later, Swami Brahmananda, the first president of our order, arranged to open a center here in this Gupta Kashi. From the very initial days, the activities of the Bhubaneswar Center continued to be multifaceted, ranging from the spiritual, educational, medical, as well as relief operations in various fields. Thus, the first middle English school of Bhubaneswar was established by this mott as early as in 1933. The mott has continued to remain as a torchbearer in providing education to the needy and the downtrodden people of Odisha. Again, the first Oriya translation of Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature, Sri Ramakrishna Lilamruta, was published by this mott in the year 1939. In fact, you will be pleased to know that till date, Ramakrishna Math and Mission Bhubaneswar has translated 167 original publications from the Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature for the benefit of all who are interested. Thus, it is not an exaggeration to say that the inmates of Ramakrishna Ashrama, Bhubaneswar, have showed a steadfast commitment towards the spiritual progress of the Utkal society. However, the Karma Yajna, which started in 1919, is still not accomplished. I expect that the inmates of this branch center of Belur Math, Howrah, West Bengal, will continue to work always to remove the distress of the people in both spiritual as well as in the material sense. In this context, it is worthwhile to remember the famous words of Swami Vivekananda regarding Karma Yoga. Quote, "Spiritual knowledge is the only thing that can destroy our miseries forever. Any other knowledge satisfied one's only for the time being. It is only with the knowledge of the spirit that the faculty of want is annihilated forever." So, helping man spiritually is the highest help that can be given to him. Therefore, in the application being released today, this Math has made arrangements where everyone will be able to read the Oriya translation of Swami Vivekananda's complete works and Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita free of cost. We sincerely hope that this will be able to remove the agonies of our earthly life and will be an welcome addition to fulfill the spiritual needs of our people here in Odisha and abroad. This application will also act as a virtual link between Bhubaneswar Math and Mission with its friends and well-wishers. It will update them about the activities in our Math and will also enable them to perform activities for which physical presence was earlier indispensable. In fact, despite demand for Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature from the remote corners of Odisha due to logistical reasons, this Math has been unable to serve the people for the same till date. This application is, however, expected to overcome this problem. The provision for online book order has been incorporated, and it is indeed hoped that this will help the interested readers and well-wishers at large. I earnestly request everyone to use the application and give their valuable feedback to this Math Center for its further improvements. Today is the 12th of July 2021, the Ratha Yatra day. It is an immensely auspicious day when the Holy Trio, Lord Jagannath, Balaram and Subhadra are travelling to their Mausima's house at Gundicha temple. The release of the application RKMBBSR coincides with the holy day and marks a new journey forward for Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Bhubaneswar. May Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Ma Sarada Devi and Swamiji shower their choicest blessings on all of us on this holy occasion. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.